Few cars in the history of American motoring have been as consistently good as the Corvette. Where some of their rivals took a misstep or two, Chevrolet did all they could to ensure the wide-body remained a stylish and affordable performance icon. Because of that, each new generation has found a following and ultimately a place in the collector car world. Polished and pampered since rolling off GM's legendary Bowling Green assembly line, this awesome Corvette is a showroom spec gem that's seen minimal miles of clean blacktop, judging by the car's slick paint. One of only 892 2015 Stingray Coupes sprayed in night race metallic. Those clicks seemed more occasional than regular. Jet black leather is tightly threaded around sporty GT seats that feature 8-way power adjustment for both the driver and passenger. A leather-wrapped dash plants digital gauges next to Chevy MyLink infotainment. The leather-wrapped console balances a French stitch shifter next to a small Stingray plaque. And a leather-wrapped steering wheel caps a tilting and telescoping column. Tilt the hood forward to reveal GM's latest and greatest LT1 V8. That all-aluminum 460-horse mill sends power to a rev-matched Tremec 7-speed manual, back to an electronic limited-slip differential with 342 gears. Looking back on the long history of the widebody, there's little doubt that this 2015 Stingray is one of the most enjoyable Corvettes of all time. It exhibits the best of everything from one of Chevrolet's final front-engine sports cars. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.